If you're going to use your precious time to try to learn something online, would you prefer to learn from someone who has just like knowledge, or you would rather prefer to learn from someone who has both knowledge and experience? I know that for me, I would definitely want to learn from someone who has actual experience. Today, we're going to learn how you can get started practically with affiliate marketing from someone who has over 3 years experience on Amazon and in that period has made quite a fortune. Coming up next.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Cyber Reviews. Kagan is an awesome content creator and I admire and respect him so much. He's taught me a couple of lessons concerning affiliate marketing and general content creation like lighting, audio, and much more. And he's full of wisdom, and I think that we can learn a thing or two from him. In fact, not a thing or two, we can learn about 15 things from him. So over to you, Kagan.
Hi, what's good? So, my name is Kagan. I am a colorist by profession, but I also run a YouTube channel by the name Kagan Tech. And today, my brother Cyber Reviews basically wanted to ask me a few questions about my Amazon affiliate business. And I believe I have the questions on my phone here. There's about 15 of those questions. So I'm just going to run through all of them as quickly as I can. I have a video that I'm editing right now, and it's currently rendering, so I'm just gonna use that time to make this video.
All right, Kagan. So first question to you is, when did you actually start your affiliate marketing business? And at what point did you notice that this could actually be a good source of income? Like, when did you notice that this is actually something which is viable that you can do to get some passive income?
So I started my affiliate marketing business about 8 months after I started YouTube. I started YouTube January 1st of 2017. So somewhere around September, I believe. I started affiliate marketing around September with Amazon affiliate marketing. In fact, it's the only one that I still currently use. And I guess that was the point where I thought it was a viable source of income. I just, watched a lot of videos. I saw a lot of people doing it, and I decided I was going to give it a shot. It was that straightforward.
Okay, my next question is, how did you actually hear about affiliate marketing?
On YouTube. It's impossible for you to watch YouTube videos without seeing people drop links in the description and telling you they have links in the description that you should click so that, it can help out their channels and help them make some money and, keep the channel going or whatever.
Fantastic feedback, Kagan. So how many subscribers did you have before you finally decided to do affiliate marketing? Because some people are of the opinion that they need to get like a 10,000 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers or get like really huge volumes of subscribers before they can actually start making money online. So for you, how many subscribers did you have before you actually started your affiliate marketing business?
I believe it was just a little over 500, somewhere around 518 subscribers, if I remember correctly.
Oh wow, so that's good to know. So like after how many months or days or weeks after you signed up, did you begin to make any money at all?
Yeah, so it probably took me 2 days to make my first sale. It was, I believe, the Dell Chromebook 11 that I bought in 2015 that I'd been using for a while, obviously, and yeah, I believe it was $12.
Oh, that's pretty interesting, because for me, when I signed up, I was so scared, because like there's this 3 months period that you actually need to prove that you can actually bring customers to Amazon. And after 3 months, if you're not able to get any customer, then they would close your program for you. And it was like a week till my 3 months ended and I got my first customer. I remember January 1st, 2020, this year, is when I got my first sale on Amazon. So what's your reaction when you first made those coins? I mean, that little money. Of course, you shouldn't despise small beginnings, because that first sale wasn't like necessarily $1,000 worth of commissions, but today I believe that you've made more than $1,000 worth of commissions. So how did you feel? For me, I was pretty excited because it actually showed me that this thing is real, this thing could work, and with patience and perseverance, I could make more money off of Amazon affiliate marketing.
Honestly, there was no reaction. It was just like, oh great, I made $12. Yay, moving on.
So what's the most commission you have earned like in a single sale?
I honestly have no idea. Like these days, I am selling things that are in the thousands of dollars and the commission usually varies. So I honestly almost never look at the individual price of the highest items. I just look at the general amount that I made in a day, if that makes sense. Yeah, in a day. So I don't know, honestly, I'm sorry.
Now I realized Amazon affiliate marketing is kind of funny because Amazon tracks orders made from your link, not necessarily the links you put for, let's say, a laptop. So if I put an HP laptop, it's not only the HP laptops that people buy that Amazon is going to pay me for. Anything that customers buy within like a 24-hour window through my link, Amazon is going to pay me for. And I noticed that people buy all manner of things. So many of the things that people purchase, like a good number of them, are not things that I directly put links to. So sometimes you go and find that people are buying like TV coaxial cables and phone cases and phone screen protectors and stuff like that, but I don't have any links for phone cases or phone screen protectors. So for you, what has been the weirdest thing that anybody has ever bought?
Honestly, I am done being surprised with the things that people buy on Amazon these days. People buy pantyhose, people buy shaving creams, toothpaste. It's all sorts of weird things, and you know, yeah, it just yeah.
So Kagan, when was your best month, and what do you think contributed to the peak in sales in that particular month?
That's a really deep question, because this is going to sound really weird. So earlier this year, Amazon decided that they were going to cut all affiliate income by more than 60%. For my channel especially, it was a really bad hit, because most of my videos are basically based around microphones, headphones, audio equipment and such. So I was getting somewhere around 6 to 8% for every sale, but Amazon decided to cut that to a flat rate 3% for all microphones and audio devices, including headphones and such. So that was cutting my income by more than 60%. And I thought it was going to be really bad from that point on, but the very month after they cut all the sales was my best month on Amazon. It's really, I'm not sure how that happened, but I'm probably thinking maybe it was because of the coronavirus, you know, is why the spike in online purchases and stuff kept my income really high, and then it just kept on going up. It's still going up as we speak.
I'm really learning a lot, and if you're like me, you're getting value from this video, please hit the thumbs up button, because it really goes a long way to help the channel. Thanks, baby. Now let's talk about the process, because we've learned about the results and the origin of Kagan's affiliate marketing business, but let's look at the real process of how he went about it, and then how he actually optimized his sales and how he's been able to get to where he is now. So what is the best trick to optimize your conversions? Is there like a trick? Do you have any tips for us? Or is it just like sheer luck?
It's absolutely not luck. And this is one thing that I always tell people who ask me this question about my Amazon affiliate business. There is absolutely no luck with it. It just matters how you do your research and what you decide to review and how you know, put the product forward. For example, it makes a lot more sense if you're trying to make some income from Amazon affiliate to buy a bunch of microphones that other YouTubers have reviewed. For example, this, I'm speaking for myself here. Buy a bunch of microphones that other YouTubers have reviewed that are maybe budget microphones, and then you could test every single one of them, then come out with a video saying, okay, this is the best budget microphone under $50. Now you've tested all the options, and now you know which one is better than the other ones, and then you can title your video that way, because people are more likely to search for best USB microphone under $50 than they're to search for a microphone with an obscure name like Papal microphone or something, or Pixel microphone. Like, there's a good chance people are searching for that microphone, yes, but there's a better chance they're searching for the best microphone under $50, and you have a better chance of making sales that way. I hope that makes sense.
Okay, so would you like advise that somebody gets lots of numbers, lots of views, lots of like regular views and high subscriber counts before the person embarks on an affiliate marketing program, or the person should start now, make mistakes, learn from their mistakes, and then improve?
I am somebody who always advocates for starting, learning, making mistakes, and growing from there, because you know, you don't learn to walk by reading instructions and waiting. You learn by doing and failing and falling over and doing again. So it's better you start now. In fact, it's better you start now also because it's sort of like advertising, right? You don't want to have a channel where you're not advertising and then later on you just slap your audience with adverts. Like, they're going to be confused, like, where did all this come from? So it makes a lot more sense to start from the very beginning. Even if all you have is 100 subscribers and you're making one video a month, start. Eventually you're going to ramp it up, and it's going to peak up and stuff, and you're going to start making some money eventually.
So I know this sounds kind of like cliche, but what do you know now that you wish you knew when you were starting out on your affiliate marketing business?
Okay, well, there was something that happened a couple of years ago. I think this was probably the turning point in my earnings. I got an email from a company that wanted to sponsor a video, and they insisted on me putting the link for the product that was sponsoring my video in the first 2 lines of my description. Now, I didn't think much of it at the time, but the idea behind that is people have very, very short attention spans. So if you have your link in the first 2 lines, it's more likely that people are going to click than if you have it buried somewhere in the description. Like, people are really lazy and they don't want to search for anything. So it's probably a lot better for you to have your link in the first 2 lines, if that helps somebody, I guess.
Wow, fantastic. Like, really, really deep points over there. So my next question is, like, do I need to sign up for all the affiliate marketing programs? Because there's B&H, there's Best Buy, there's Jumia, possibly there's Amazon. Like, there are so many different affiliate marketing programs. There's AliExpress and all. Do I need to sign for each of them, or should I just like focus on one and become really good at it? What do you think?
That's a preference question. That's absolutely up to you. Like, if you feel like you can manage signing up for Amazon and signing up for B&H and signing up for eBay, that's on you. Like, in fact, it diversifies your income portfolio and you have all these other ways that you can make money. Me personally, I only use Amazon affiliates because affiliate marketing is not the only way that I make money on the internet, and I like Amazon. Like, I enjoy using Amazon personally for myself, so it's easier for me to just use Amazon. I don't really use any other affiliate programs personally.
Okay, so in all your years of doing affiliate marketing, what has been like the greatest challenge that you have encountered within this period?
Major challenges. Are there any major challenges? I mean, it's really straightforward. Buy stuff off of Amazon, review them, sell a few products if the products you bought are good. I don't know about challenges. It's just been smooth sailing. Like, I never really thought of it as a major source of income until it did become a major source of income. So yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, so this is my last question. Do you have like any tips, random thoughts, anything for the viewers before we leave?
This is important. Like everything else, it doesn't happen overnight. The first few months that I was on Amazon making money, I was probably making $50, $40, $60 every month for like 8 or 9 months. It wasn't a lot of money. And at some point it became $300 and $500 and $1,000 and yada, 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 you know the rest. So it's important for you to understand that things have to grow. You have to allow your baby, like every other business, grow. So make a lot of videos, review a lot of items, make sure you put your links in your first 2 lines, and you should be absolutely fine, I think. Well, that's pretty much it for me. Again, my name is Kagan from the YouTube channel Kagan Tech. Thank you so much for inviting me to your channel, Cyber Reviews. I really appreciate it. And I hope I was able to help somebody with this very quick video. I am going to get back to my edit now. And I guess I'll see you on another video on my channel if you decide to check out my channel. Peace.
All right, thank you so much, Kagan, for taking your precious time at 9 something to actually make this video. See how late you recorded the video. I really appreciate it. Now head over to Kagan's channel. I'm going to leave a link in the description. I'm going to leave a card above as well so that you can check out his channel, because you can see that he's very knowledgeable and he knows what he's talking about. He's not just doing some try and error stuff. He has the experience. So let me know in the comments, are you intending to do affiliate marketing? Which affiliate marketing program are you going to sign up for? Or are you already into affiliate marketing, and how is it working for you? Or is there any other kind of online business that you are running which is working for you? Let me know in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, I do mobile phone reviews, mobile app reviews, and I bring to you affordable gadget reviews to help you make an informed decision whenever you need to make a purchase. So if you like that kind of content, please click on the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you don't miss any episode. Thanks, bye-bye.